Hey everyone, it's Jake here, and we're at Miami International Airport. As you can see in front of me is a Delta A321 heading to Atlanta. The other one over there, another A321, that one's going to New York LaGuardia. The other one, that's A320, that's over there is going to, A320 is going to Detroit. And this one right here, Boeing 737-900 is heading to Chicago, United Airlines. For the other one behind me, the same exact plane, is going to Newark, New Jersey, Boeing 737-900, United Airlines. And as you guys know, we're going home on a Boeing Douglas, an MD-90. We're flying home on the MD-90 Delta. Yeah. I'll show you what it really looks inside. Because I saw YouTube videos of everything. I'm also a young aviator as well, like every other aviator, like QFS Aviation, MT Aviation, Skylight Productions, everyone else too. That includes Gilbert Travels, which is the local aviator around here. Yep, and I tripped before as well. And there this one goes. See you guys when we board, and or when my plane gets here.